Hihi ni uri weciria uria bururi witu ugikorwo utari gutari nyamu cia githaka na iria igucagiriria agendi. Niguo kugitira nyamu ici nikio gitumi kinene gwakorirwo gwithundurwo ihenya ria runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Lewa Safaricom Conservancy Marathon mwaka-ini wa 2000. Thengia wa gukorwo acabania makihuthira mbeca iria cionganagio ihenya-ini riri guthaitira nyamu na maria maturigiceirie ni makoragwo na mitaratara ya guteithiriria family iria cikaraga hakuhi na runyanjara ruru rwa Lewa na njira ya kumahe mai na kumathomithiria ciana ciao iria cieka wega mathomo-ini.
$6,750,000 has been raised for a huge range of education, health and conservation and community development projects across Kenya since the marathon first started almost 19 years ago.
Francisca Apua ni mruto wa thukuru wa University wa Jomo Kenyatta na ni umwe wa ciana iria igunikite na uboco uria wonekanaga kumana na ihenya riri.
I was about 12 years old. I met Faith Riunga, the head of Lewa Education Program, and she assured us that if you did well, Lewa would support you to the highest level of education you'd like to pursue. And with renewed energy, I worked hard, I did well. I am a Turkana girl from a marginalized area, about to graduate with a degree in economics.
Kahinda-ini ka miaka makiria ma 5 Joseph Piroris akoretwo arugamirire mihango ya kuhicana na ugumi wa hĩa cia munyi undu uria ayukirie kuma kuri aciari yake ta uria aratariria.
Our one life is part of our identity, part of who we are as a people. I wanted to play a direct role in ensuring its survival.
Wiyandikithia niguo kunyita itemi mahenya-ini maya ni muthenya wa ruciu kugerera rurenda rwa Safaricom. Njorua cia mwaka muhituku marathoni-ini no mwena wa arume ni Philemon Baaru na mwena wa nyarari ari Margaret Lepakana. Haduni hamethe ya mathako ya Kameme TV riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.